triangle. But before that, what I have here in my hand is a triangle. What is a triangle? It is a three-sided polygon. Triangle has three kinds. Isosceles, which has two equal sides. Scalene with no equal sides. And then the equilateral with three equal sides. Now we will know how to find the area of triangles. You will know the answer right here, right now. The formula for the area of triangles is 1/2 base times height. But another formula to find the area of a triangle is 1/2 times the product of B and C, or the two sides, times sine theta, or the angle included. Now I have here my friend Yanni for the example. King.
For example, in a given figure, we have angle C is equivalent to 62 degrees. Then the two sides have 7 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So let's try to solve this. Using the formula base times height times sine theta, we will have 10 times 7 times sine 62. And we will come up to the answer 61.81 centimeters squared. We should be very careful in writing the units in finding the area. So in area, we will square the units in the final product.
That's all. Thank you. We will study the law of sine, which will enable us to solve certain oblique triangles which contain no right triangles. To be able to do this, we need to know the measure of at least one side and any two other parts of the triangle. Either two sides, two angles, or one side, one angle. This breaks down into the following four cases. We have two angles in any side, or the AAS and ASA. Two sides with an angle opposite to them, or SSA. We have the formula A over sine A is equal to B over sine B is equal to C over sine C. And for the examples, we have Yanni, partner.
So we can see in this figure that angle A doesn't have its value as well as its two sides C and B. So in order to find the value of angle A, we all know that the triangle is fixed, the measure of the triangle is fixed 180 degrees. So we need to add the side of angle B plus the side of angle C, and then substitute. Angle B is equivalent to 24 degrees and angle C is equivalent to 36 degrees. Which is equivalent to 60 degrees. And then 180 degrees, the fixed value of the triangle minus the measurement of the two given angles is equal to 120 degrees. So we can say that angle A is equivalent to 180 degrees, to 120 degrees rather. So to check if we have the right value of each angle, 120 plus 24 plus 36 is equivalent to 180 degrees. And then to find the value of the two side C and side B, we need to substitute the given into the formula A over sine A, B over sine B, and C over sine C. So A over sine A is equivalent to B over sine B. So to find the value of side B, we will have the value of A, which is 9 centimeters, B times the value of sine A, which is 120 degrees. And then divide both sides by sine 120 degrees. So we have 9 centimeters times sine 24 over sine 120 is equivalent to B. So we have square root of 87 and square root of 3 over 2 or 0.87. And then to find the value of C, we have A over sine A is equivalent to C over sine C. Substitute the given value A, which is 9 centimeters times sine 36 is equal to C over sine 120 degrees. Divide both sides by sine 120. And then C is equal to 6.11. That's all. The law of cosine, we must consider two different equations. We have three sides or SSS and two sides and an included angle or SAS. So the formula in solving the law of cosine is A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 250 cosine A. B squared is equal to A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cosine B. And C squared is equal to A squared plus BC minus 2AB cosine C. So, in order to arrive to the correct answer, we must substitute all the given into this formula. That's all, and thank you.
To find the S, we will use this formula A plus B plus C over 2. 3 plus 4 plus 6 over 2 is equal to 13 over 2 or 6.5. Using 6.5, substitute the value square root of 6.5 times 6.5 minus 3 times 6.5 minus 4 times 6.5 minus 6. Then we will come up with the answer of 6.5 times 3.5 times 2.5 times 0.5. Summing it all up to 28.44. The square root of 28.44 is 5.33. This Heron's formula is one quick way to find the area of the triangle. That would be all. In behalf of my partner, Gianni, yo, peace out.
Created using Powtoon.